Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. We're going to get started with our phonics, all right? So rhyming, I'm going to say two words. You're going to repeat and give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Here we go. Seed, read. Head, dime. Bake, make. Come, some. Rock, pole. Great job. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say two words, and then I'm going to say the sound that those words start with. You're going to repeat after me. Cane, cold, ka. 4, 5, f. Girl, good, g. Joke, jet, j. Look, left, l. Great. The next one is blending syllables. We're going to be using our choppers for this to do the two parts of the word. All right, you're going to repeat after me. Wig, go, wiggle. Handle, handle. Rabbit, rabbit. Cartoon, cartoon. Coming, coming. The next one is the roller coaster. So you're going to do the roller coaster motion with me, and then you're going to tell me that middle sound. Here we go. Ran, an. Middle sound is ah. Good. Next one, set, set. Middle sound, eh. Hit, it. Middle sound, eh. Top, op. Ah. Rug, ugh. Nice. Next one is segmenting our syllables. You need your choppers again. This time we're going to say the word together, and then we're going to chop it up. So you watch me, and then it's your turn. Undo, undo. Hopeful, hopeful. Brainy, brainy. Seeing, seeing. Counting, counting, counting. Great job. The next one is adding syllables. So I'm going to give you a word, you're going to add an ending, and then you're going to clap it together. Repeat after me, and then we'll clap the word together at the same time. All right, your word is park. Add ing. Parking. Play. Add ing. Playing. See. Add ing. Seeing. Hope. Add ing. Hoping. Wait. Add ing. Waiting. Nice job. Next one is deleting syllables. You're going to hold a word in your hands, and we're going to take away a part of that word. You're going to repeat after me. Your word is dirty. Without E, what's left is dirt. Cloudy. Without E, what's left is cloud. Stormy. Without E, what's left is storm. Rainy. Without E, what's left is rain. Snowy. Without E, what's left is snow. Great job. All right, our rhyme today is Little Boy Blue. I'm going to say the whole thing, then you try to say the whole thing, And then if you want to do it again together, just rewind your video a little bit and we can do it together. All right. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Great job. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.